Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am very excited about doing a collaboration with Marcy from Mixed Media Girl. And most of you probably already know her. She's amazing, and this is her wonderful paint pouring book. And if you guys don't have it, this is a lot of fun to have. It covers all the basics, everything you're gonna need to paint pour, and it also has a whole bunch of techniques in it. So today I am randomly picking what we're gonna do. So Mixed Media Girl is gonna do this with me, and I opened the book up and there's where we were. Colander pour. So we are going to do a colander pour, and we are using the Artist Loft Ready-Mixed paints, and we are using two different blues, a silver and black and white. So we're going to do it as a dirty cup, and I mean, I guess I'm doing it as a dirty cup. I don't know what she's doing, so we will see, because it looks great both ways. So let's get started. All right, so let's start filling this cup up. Here's my colander. It's just Betty Crocker from the Dollar Tree. All right, so I have a phthalo blue, silver, bright blue. I am going to use a little bit of black as part of the challenge. I haven't even opened this. I have been using this paint for a while. Cannot believe I've never used the black. That is so funny. That is so me, because it just makes it so much darker. I don't usually use black. Busted. Almost finished a whole container of white, but hadn't even opened the black. Funny. So I'm just laying the colors in random. Gonna pretty much fill the cup almost up. Let's use a little more silver and a little bit more blue. I think that's enough. Should be plenty. I love working with these paints. They dry all glossy. You don't get cells though. So let's see, try to get it in the middle. There we go. All right. So I'm just going to kind of tree ring in the middle very slowly. All right, almost there. Almost. Okay, so I am just going to lift this off, hold it there just for a second, and then okay, so at this point, I'm just going to start tilting really slowly. I'm trying to, if at all possible, maintain my shapes, the lines and the shapes in the middle, but get all the corners covered also. So as you do this, you can rotate your canvas around and slowly go toward the edge, and then bring it back to the middle. Always bring the weight of your paint back to the middle before you go to another corner. Otherwise it gets all wonky. So you have to be patient with this. It does take a few minutes for the paint to move smoothly. So don't rush it, just take your time. Enjoy the paint moving. So one thing I did want to say about having her book has been really helpful. I ended up teaching a class of teenagers this past spring until COVID. And it was very, very helpful to let them look through and pick what techniques they wanted to do. It helped me design the class. And when I want to paint and I don't know which technique I really want to use, sometimes I just pick it up and randomly pick one out of there. And that really helps. Reminds me of techniques I hadn't used in a while. Helps get the creative juices flowing. Plus there is so much information in there. What to do, what not to do, things to try. Almost. All right. Bringing it back to center before I go for the last corner. There we go. Checking my sides and the corners. All right. I'm going to bring that all back to center. All right, well, that's kind of cool. It's kind of mesmerizing. All right, guys, I'm going to give it just a couple minutes and then I will bring you in for a close-up. All right, here it is. Here's the lower right-hand corner. That silver really made it shimmer. And the pattern's maintained. That's so cool. There we go. Upper right. I see I missed a little spot, but I can fix that. Over to the upper left. Down to the lower left. And here's the center. Those are really cool. All right, well, I think I maintained the pattern pretty good. It's kind of hard to do, so you have to be patient is the thing. Don't just keep going. You have to Once you get the paint poured out, let it spread out on its own for a little while. That's just a really good thing to do. Y'all check out Mixed Media Girls Colander Pour. I will have the link below, and check out her channel if you are not familiar. She has so many videos and so much you can learn from her. She's amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.